discussed in these all these sentences: present form, past form, and future form. But still, I want to say that Rupa is there. Hello, Harshit.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. You are upset, I think. Okay. So, I will give you a revision of that. After that, you have to present the way I present, number one. And second, today is the last. I am discussing this present tense, past tense, and future form, these things. And after that, I will go to the next topic, and grammar will be done. That means in the middle of the session, time to time. So present form में क्या होता है? मैं वहाँ जाता हूँ. That हूँ और है, only this is there in the present simple form. Just try to understand. Only this is the thing are there, present simple form. जाता हूँ, that means हूँ और है. And in the past form, tha will be there. Tha will be there. And in the future form, ga will be there. Jaunga. That means we should always focus on the main verb. Main verb. What is main verb? Can you give me any example of main verbs? Harshit, can you give me some examples of main verbs?
जैसे मैं वहाँ जाता हूँ तो जाना मेन वर्ब है.
Very good. जाना, आना, खाना, रोना, सोना, हंसना, बैठना, that's are called main verb. So we should focus on main verb. If the main verb is in present form, we are making it in present sentence, present tense. That means translating in present tense. If it is in past form, we are making it, translating it in past tense. And if it is in future form, we are making it in future tense. See, मैं वहाँ जाता हूँ. Here we should write I go there. Okay, we have written already. So you see in the now the verb जाता हूँ, that means to go. What it happens in the past form, it becomes went. मैं वहाँ गया था. I went there. Okay. So next you see मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा. So in future form, two things are happening. First one is we should use shall or will, and the verb, the main verb would be in present form. That means I shall go there. Complete. Up to this much I think you have got to know. It's really it's really a piece of cake for you till now. Right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next you see तुम ये काम करो. So what is the main verb here? Can you tell me, any one of you? What is the main verb here?
Ma'am, what is the sentence?
Please come in the group. In the group I have given, please see this, all of you, please see this one, see the chart. Please open the chart, please. In the group, you open the chart, please. Yeah, thank you.
Ma'am, the main verb is
what is the main verb?
करो, do.
Karo, yes, correct, do. So we have to focus on the main verb, nothing to do here. Our work is to focus on the main verb where it is. हमारा ध्यान सिर्फ मेन वर्ब पे होना चाहिए कि वो कहाँ है. वो प्रेजेंट में है, वो पास्ट में है, या फ्यूचर में है. If we can find out this much portion, then it would be a piece of cake for us to translate the sentence. So तुम ये काम करो, you do this work or you do the work. This work or the work, you can say that's not a cup of tea. So you see, तुमने ये काम किया. So do will be in the past form did. तुमने ये काम किया. So what would be this thing? You did this work or you did the work. तुम ये काम करोगे. You will do this work. So you see, मैं वहां जाऊंगा. I shall go there. तुम ये काम करोगे. You will go there. So what is the difference between? Because in the I will be, shall will be there. In the I, when you will use I, shall will be there. And after I, we shall be using will. Got it? Everybody got it? Yeah. So that's the difference. So I wanna ask to Rupa. So the things I have told you now, do you have any question regarding the topics I discussed here? आपको कोई सवाल पूछना है जो आपको समझ में नहीं आए? या
टेंस सीखते हैं तो उसमें अभी एक सेंटेंस है, तुमने यह काम किया. लाइक ये काम हो गया, पास्ट में हो गया है ना. और ये फर्स्ट वाला सेंटेंस है, मैं वहां गया था. तो हम ये इसमें बनाएंगे, मैं वहां गया था. आई हैड गो देयर.
गुड क्वेश्चन. ओके,
मतलब कैसे इसमें होता है ना, तो मतलब
okay, I got your question. Okay, so next, Shikha, do you have any question? I will give you answer later. Let me know. Let me ask everyone. Don't have any question? You should have, Shikha.
Ma'am, you had already made us understand, ma'am, so I don't have any.
Okay, Karan, do you have any question?
Yeah, ma'am, I have.
Please let me know.
Ma'am, like if the main verb is not in the sentence, then there is a probability. Means there is. I mean, we shall go. I'm trying to explain, but I think you are not explaining. You are not trying to understand, ma'am.
Really?
And like if there is not main verb in the sentence.
So example, give me.
I'm like, पेड़ पे फल है, पेड़ में फल है. We can say this.
Yeah, ma'am.
So then
this is important to conclude is MR or conclude like was were or will.
You see, पेड़ में फल है. Okay. So पेड़ में फल है is there, no?
Oh, ma'am, if like there is, I'm giving a sentence like, क्या है तुम्हें? Then, ma'am,
क्या है तुम्हें? क्या है तुम्हें means what does it mean?
That means like she is.
You give me any sample of sentence so that I can make you explain, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay,
you search any sentence after that. Okay, okay. I am waiting for you. So now Harshit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you have any question?
No, ma'am.
Don't you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. I can understand your feelings. I can understand why you don't have. But I can read your mind. No problem. I will solve. I think I will solve it. Okay. Let's come to the point. Yeah. There was question from Rupa. That was very nice question you have made, Rupa. So very good. I am feeling. Okay. So now you told me that गया उसने ये काम किया और उसने ये काम किया था. Okay. What's the if the two sentences what to write? उसने ये काम किया. It is also past. उसने ये काम किया था. That is also past. Sentences are same. You translate the same sentence will come. उसने ये काम किया था. He did this work. उसने ये काम किया. He did this work. That's the thing. किया था somewhere you can find that is past form, you understand there. Kiya, up to kiya. If it is here, hai, that is would be another thing, another time form. So kiya, that is past. Kiya tha, that is past. Both are same sentence. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then when will we use the like मैंने ये काम किया था, I had done this work.
No,
like this sentence.
no. I will, according to the time form, if I tell you the about when to use had, then it will be confusing for your side, isn't it? You may be confusing. So I don't want to make you confused. Just go through the flow. What is being today discussing, I am, that one you just focus it, and time to time we shall be discussing according to the what is we require. Okay. That's we have to do. So that's the thing here is you can see present tense, past tense and future tense. So present form you know already, hai is there or who is there, and past form tha will be there, or sometimes verb will be kiya, gaya, aya, like that, and future form ga will be there, karunga, jaunga, khaunga, aunga, like that. Okay. Everybody comprehended?
पास्ट टेंस में हम वो सेकंड मैम 1 सेकंड, हम जब पास्ट टेंस के सेंटेंस बनाए तो सेकंड वाली फॉर्म लगाएंगे ना, या फिर थर्ड वाली? सेकंड वाली
if the sentence is
I done this.
yes, if the sentence is in past form, only past simple form, then you have to use only the main verb in past form. No need to add had, have.
How
no.
can I Ma'am, how can I rectify that this sentence is only past and this sentence मैं वहाँ गया था, this sentence is past perfect?
So according to when you will be getting the sentences, you will be eventually understand what's the difference here. आपको जब sentences दिए जाएंगे तभी आप समझ पाओगे कि हाँ इसमें तो head लगाना होगा, इसमें मुझे head नहीं लगाना होगा. ठीक है
मैम? बट स्पोकन इंग्लिश में हम ऐसे नहीं यूज करते हैं, स्पोकन में ओनली पास्ट यूज करते हैं ना?
या पास्ट यूज करते हैं. yes yeah we do use, but if we know some how to use them, that looks so appealing, isn't it? अगर हम जानते हैं कैसे इस्तेमाल करना है तो ये लगता है कि दूसरा वाला जो बंदा है वो सोचता है अच्छा ठीक है उनको आता है, नहीं तो हम चला लेते हैं काम पास्ट फॉर्म में हम काम चला लेते हैं, है ना? पर जो एक्सपर्ट होते हैं ना वो उसी को ही यूज करते हैं जो परफेक्ट होता है आंसर, है ना? तो हम वही करने की कोशिश करेंगे थोड़ा बहुत. ओके, सो दैट्स द डिस्कशन टुडे.